An ESP32-based synchronized speaking clock, using a DFPlayer Mini and RTC. Time is spoken in 24-hour time. Using MP3 recordings, you can capture family members' voices and use them to say the time. Alternatively, text-to-speech engines can be used to capture any voice or language you wish. You can capture any number of voices up to the 32 GB limit of the microSD card. Pressing the Say Time button activates the OLED display and speaks the time.
20:59.
Once the time has been spoken, pressing the Say Time button again fetches the current time from the clock and speaks it again.
2100 hours.
Changing the spoken voice. Press the function button once. This menu lets you set the voice of the clock. Press hour up to select the next voice or hour down to select the previous voice. On my clock the age goes from 3 to 8. If you want a selection of voices, you can change Lyra age to whatever name you want to give your various voices. Once you are happy with your selected voice, press and hold set until the screen shows Say Time. The voice has now been set. Pressing the Say Time button will now speak the time with this new voice.
11:13.
The clock chimes out the quarters and hours on an internal or external 3-watt speaker. First quarter chime. Second quarter or half-hour chime. Third quarter chime. The hours are chimed out in full. In this example, it is 3 o'clock.